I'm so excited to introduce to you today my new cookbook, which is called the Ultimate Keto Cookbook Volume 2. Okay, now this is actually a sequel to this cookbook, Keto Cookbook, which is going to be Volume 1 now. Okay, so the new one will be Volume 2. Now in 2022, I published two cookbooks, and they are basically dedicated, one to keto bread and the other is to keto cake respectively. Okay, then in 2023 I published another book called Keto Cookbook, which is this one, and this is going to be Volume 1 because the new one is going to be Volume 2. All right, now these two books basically consist of a collection of all my other recipes in my YouTube channel, including all the new bread and cake recipes. Okay. Then in 2024, I published a new cookbook on konjac, rice and noodle recipes. Basically, I did this from scratch because I developed almost all the recipes just for this cookbook. Now, this Keto Cookbook Volume 2 is actually a collection of all my recipes after the previous three cookbooks were published. Okay, it features 21 new keto bread recipes, 52 new keto cake recipes, 27 single small serving recipes, as well as some recipes for cookies, bars, spreads, sauces, and dressings. Now in total, there are 131 recipes in this cookbook, as well as 16 pages of important tips and tutorial. And this cookbook has almost 350 pages of content, which is the highest among all my cookbooks. Now this Keto Cookbook Volume 2 is now available in ebook format only via Payhip. The format is interactive, as you can click on any of the recipes from the table of content and it will take you straight to the recipe. Even though this cookbook now is available in ebook format, but it is in a printable format. So if you prefer a hard copy, just send the PDF file to your printer to get it printed. Just like this. I sent my PDF file to my printer and I got it printed in a few hours, just like this. Okay. Now, if you have not gotten any of my ebooks, or you may just have one or two, you can get them in bundles and save some money too. Okay. To purchase this new cookbook, you can just click the link to Payhip at the description below. I will be working on getting this new cookbook to be available via Amazon in Kindle, paperback and hardcover format soon. So I will keep you informed immediately when it becomes available. Before I end this video, I would like to say a big thank you to all of you who have supported my cookbooks, and I look forward to your continued support. Please also help to share this around, as it will be a big help to me. Thank you.